Have you ever felt a pain very, very deep? A fear so specific, a pattern so repetitive that no matter how much therapy you do, no matter how much journaling or healing you do, you still can't seem to break free. Here's the truth we don't talk about enough. Not every pain comes from this lifetime. Some of the struggles are echoes from our past life, unresolved karmic stories your soul still carries. And today I want to help you recognize these signs because once you see it, you can heal it. Now, let's talk about some common struggles. Maybe you keep attracting emotionally unavailable partners. Maybe you have this unexplainable fear of water, fire, abandonment, heights, or maybe you sabotage money the moment it comes close and you don't even know why. You have done inner work, you have journaled, you have meditated, you have saged your entire house, but nothing is coming to you. Nothing is shifting. You begin to question yourself, is something wrong with me? Why do I keep repeating the same thing? Why do I feel this ache I can't explain? And here is your answer. You are not broken. You're just remembering something that has been carrying into you for lifetimes. I remember a client who came to me because she had this intense guilt every time she spent money, no matter how much she earned, she would just give away, punish herself again and again. When I opened her Akashic records, I saw a past life where she was a wealthy woman during wartime and had to choose between saving her money or her village. And the kind of money she had, maybe she could have done both. But she chose her family and the money and carried guilt for centuries. The moment we discovered that story, she broke down crying, but not from pain, but from relief. She finally said, I finally understand that it wasn't mine, that it was from my past life karma, because in this life, I am very giving, I am very helpful. In fact, she's part of many, many NGOs in India. So here are 5 signs that the pain you're experiencing may be the past life karma showing up into the current timeline. Number 1, you've had the same struggle for years and nothing seems to work. No matter how much healing you have done, life doesn't change. It doesn't shift because the root of it isn't in this life, it is buried into another life. Number 2, you feel unexplainable connection to someone. Ever felt someone and instantly felt intense love or distrust? That often a past life soul contract showing up again. Number 3, you have reoccurring dreams, phobias, or body pain with no medical explanation. Fear of drowning, unexplainable knee pain, a constant ache in the chest. These may be the soul memories stored in your energetic fields in your Akashic records. Number 4, you self sabotage the moment things start to go well. You get close to the success and then pull away. Your soul might still be afraid because in the past life, success cost you something or someone. Number 5, you feel like you're paying for something you don't remember doing. Deep down, you feel unworthy, cursed, or like something bad is going to happen. That unresolved karmic guilt is operating in your life. But here's the thing, it's not a punishment, it is just an unhealed memory which can be healed. So, what to do about it? Once you realize the pain didn't start with you, you finally stop blaming yourself because the moment you remember where the wound truly came from, you take your power back. And that's what an Akashic record reading helps you with. When I open your records, I connect to your soul's highest truth. We travel through your timelines and find the original story of your karmic pattern. I may see a past life where you were betrayed, silenced, abandoned, lost everything, and I will guide you through releasing that memories from the root. Not just healing the symptom, but the entire karmic imprint. You don't need to carry what your soul is done with, and trust me, you will let go and you finally live like you are. You finally feel like you are again you. Now, I want to speak to the version of you that's been thinking, I'll book when I'm ready, or maybe I don't really need a reading. Let me lovingly remind you, if the pain has shown up more than once, if the pattern is louder than your logic, if the soul is tired of walking in circles, you are ready. Every day you wait is a day you keep recycling a story that is already over, but the choice to rewrite is yours. So, If your heart's been nudging you, if you felt seen while listening to this, book your Akashic record reading today. This is your permission to release what your soul no longer needs to carry. It's not just a reading, it's a freedom, because not every pain is from this lifetime, but every healing can begin in this one. Your soul's next chapter is waiting. Let's turn the page together. See you in the session.